How many proper divisors, that is divisors other than 1 or 7200? So this time they are excluding 1 and that number. Both these numbers are excluded. Does 7200 have? So 7200. Now we need to find the number of factors, but we should not be considering these two numbers. That's it, simple. So 7200 we will first prime factorize. So we will have 7200. So this 100 is basically 2 square into 5 square. And the 72 is going to be 8 nines are. 8 nines are is 2 cube into 3 square. That's it, done. So this is overall now it will become 2 power 5 because we have a 2 power 2 here, 2 power 3 here. So 2 power 5 into 3 square into 5 square. Now total number of divisors. Total number of divisors. This is going to be equal to, add 1 to each power. It's a common well-known procedure. 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. So 6 into 3 into 3 will be 9 6 are 54. So 7200 will have 54 divisors in total. But out of 54, if I am removing those two, so remaining you will have 52. So 52, option B, 52 should be the right answer. We'll check this. Yeah, option B, 52 is the right answer.